So we have few topics on left. So today we will concentrate on Bluetooth. So for that Bluetooth, I'll create one new project here. So I'm creating one new project. So MTV's activity, Bluetooth. So Bluetooth example. So normally, like nowadays, the Bluetooth is one of the main and important aspect because the lot of people are using the Bluetooth devices only. So that's the reason, like already we in features also we discussed that the Bluetooth range and frequency has also increased. And even in the latest versions, the connectivity of Bluetooth, quick connection. So that kind of features also updated this. But this Bluetooth related code will be never change. And also, this is the example for the broadcast receiver. So broadcast receiver is nothing but it is like it we can say how it is like where user can access the system level data. So this Bluetooth is the hardware and system level. So that data here we are reading, right? So that is one of the example for this Bluetooth as well, right? So that we are going to discuss here now. So that how this will be happening. So for that, this kind of programs never change the logic wise, never change the content wise. So let that we can copy from some of the store and we can see that. Like I try somewhere this. So that code we can copy and we can utilize that here now. So here now I'm asking that Bluetooth example in Android with Kotlin. So we will see this simple because this code, as I told, this normally never change this code, this kind of. So that we will check from here and we will add. So that will work here. So that we will see. First of all, in manifest file, so these are all the permissions as required, like Bluetooth admin, Bluetooth find class location, and those things it is required. So in this manifest file, here I'm adding the 3 lines of code. Like one is the Bluetooth permission, Bluetooth admin, and location of that. So then next step. So once this project will move, that we will add from here. See, after that I'll explain here what happening in the code with this. So for this now we require the Bluetooth adapter. So the Bluetooth by using the Bluetooth adapter, so it will check the data one by one, and it will give an update what is happening here. So this is the extra class is required. That's the Bluetooth adapter. So here it will be displaying the list. So but indirectly it is displaying the list. So we required to need first we'll try this program, then we'll ask that next question. So first of all, like this, I'll take this exam XML. So in XML, simply it took that list. So whatever the Bluetooth list will be there. So that list here we will display here. So that list here we are displaying here now. So for this, it require an ID. So Android ID at the rate plus ID. So that is mail. Right. So this next year now we took this main activity code, so that we will update in this main activity. So in this main activity, the code will be updated here. This. So the main activity which extends as an activity, and here we have that permissions and all. So for that, one more extra class is also required. So that class code also will add and we'll check that. So with this name, the class will be created here, Bluetooth adapter, Bluetooth broadcast receiver. So with this name, we'll create a new class. So one separate class will be created on this name. Then in this, now we will add that code. So whatever the code we copied that we added here. Right, then in this now we have to see the next step. So just I'm pasting the code here. Now we will see. So this is done. Permission added this. So first I'll run this. First we'll execute this program or not. We'll see. Then we can see the next steps. So that's somewhere it is an error. So I think here we have to make this 35. Let us see this. I'm running this now. So linear layout ID something here is in XML. It is showing an error. Now I'm running this. I think now it is running. We will see. So it is launching. We will see now. So it is, we are turning on the Bluetooth, then it is required runtime permission. So we added the runtime permissions. Maybe in my surround, there is no Bluetooth on now. So in case if it is on, it definitely it will come here. But in this directly, it is taking that on and off. See, now it is getting this Bluetooth. Sorry. Now here we are getting the Bluetooth sticks. These all are the available Bluetooth surround. Right. So this is like here how we can get the Bluetooth list. Okay. But in this program now, I want to add that on and off. So for that on and off, here what I'll do here, please add Bluetooth on and off in above code. So I want Bluetooth on and off code in above this. So now for that here, what it will do little bit modification so that we will update and we'll check that. So the first XML is updated, one is for on and off, so that we will update here now. Okay, that is updated here. Right. Next, the code will be generated for this those. Wait, still it is generating. Yeah, only this file is updated here now. Main activity we will update here. So the main activity I have updated here. Now I'm running this code. We will see that Bluetooth will be on and off. Then after that we will discuss how the code is happened, what happened in this code. It is already on. So Bluetooth is already on. Off. See, Bluetooth is off. Now I'm turning on. So it is asking that turn on. So Bluetooth is turning on. So it is on. And these are the list. Right. So this is the code will be working fine. Here now, in this, what is happening? First, XML wise, we already know that. So we taken two buttons. One is for on and other is for off. Then list view. After that, in a manifest file, we have added the three permissions: Bluetooth, Bluetooth admin, and this. So total three permissions we added this. After that, here now in this class, we have created that Bluetooth adapter, that is Bluetooth adapter to get the data. So that we have added here. So request one, like it is on and off permission, just we added device adapter. So device adapter to check that available list. So for that here, button one, button two, turn off, and device list. So that whatever the discoverable items will come, that we are adding into the list. So that list directly we are adding into the list view. Then check Bluetooth support. So check Bluetooth support. So first it will check that permission, like Bluetooth is on or not, permission is granted or not. So permission is granted here, then it will check that here Bluetooth is enabled, false. In case if it is false, it will take the action. So that is a start for the result. It will search for that, it will search that. In case Bluetooth is off, then it will enable equal to true, then it will disable. So it will disable, it will enable that. Then after that here now start discovery. So searching, this is searching for this. So once searching has started, so searching will null. In case if it is not, this message will display. If it is data will be there, the data will be displayed on that. So the device name, device this, we are getting this. So to get this destroy, undestroy, the device should be cancelled as data. So for this now, we are taking the support of that what one class. So what is that class here? Now we are taking the support of that Bluetooth broadcast receiver. So broadcast receiver is one of the important here. So that Bluetooth broadcast receiver here now device on. So broadcast receiver we are taking here. Now intent action found. So this is extra device. So that we are finding the device. So that ERF is updating here. Right. So this is about the Bluetooth one. So with this, the Bluetooth as well as the broadcast receiver related has done already. The broadcast receiver related one more already we discussed, that is an battery percentage. How much the battery percentage you are getting, that already we discussed. So that is on next. What are topics are pending that we will see here now. Just let me open that document. So I'm opening that recent document. So this is the Android 14 document I'm opening it. So these all are completed. This is completed. In this constant layout is pending that we will discuss. Next to this image view, these all are completed. Life cycle. Here content provider, 2 topics. And here. So IMEI pending. I think IMEI we need to check. IMEI pending. 3 topics. Then next. Broadcast issue just we done. So web services completed, volley completed, retrofit completed, data binding completed, fragments completed, references room database completed, material design completed, Firebase completed, this Google Places Central completed, animation completed, AdMob, I think we need to check AdMob is pending, I think, AdMob, Play Store account, AdMob, 5 topics. Then Jetpack Compose, 6 topics. So total 6 topics are pending, so that we can see. In next class, we'll see the next topic, so that we will continue from there.
Thank you, sir.